Hey guys, just wanted to go over the new earnings calendar and how to set up alerts so you can get reminders of when stocks are reporting the next day. And you can also get notifications on when those earnings take place so you can stay up to date on how a company's reporting. And you can also get a daily reminder of the next of tomorrow's top 25 companies, and I'll show you how to set that up as well. So this is a new screen here. So these are the companies that are reporting today. And if you want to enable notifications, you can come here and directly press the bell icon. So to set up the alerts, we're going to press this button up top. And this is where you can enable the individual alerts on a particular stock. So you receive a reminder the day prior, and you also get those the results of those as a notification. And then the bottom one here, the upcoming earnings alert, you receive that every day at 8 p.m. and it shows you the top stocks are that are reporting the next day. And I will show you what those alerts look like. So I'm going to trigger them right now. All right, I'm triggering the daily summary. Let's see if I get it. There we go. So yeah, these are the top companies reporting tomorrow. And then I will show you what the other notifications look like for the particular stocks. All right, let me check. Yep, I got a bunch. So if you see the first four here, these are the results that came in. Home Depot had a good earnings report, it seems. And then these other alerts are the reminders that they're going to be reporting the next day. So we see Walmart here is reporting tomorrow, and Ross as well. So that's what those notifications look like. And I will show you how to manage your earnings watch list. So let me remove all of these real quick. So I have these buttons up here. So right now I'm just I use the S&P 500 list. So you tap that and then we'll add all those companies from the S&P 500. If you wanted to, you could add, the companies from NASDAQ, the Dow. And when you're done setting up all the companies you care about, hit save. And you should start getting those alerts coming in. And you can read the rest of this pop-up. So when you install this update, this is the pop-up that you're going to see. And this is where you can also manage them. Oh, one more thing. So back in this screen, if you tap, you will see a history of the earnings that they've had and whether or not they beat their expectations. And you can also come in here and see the quarterly reports. I hope this was useful.